Hello guys, welcome back again to another episode of Healthy Eating. Today we're going to learn about how to create a fruit yogurt salad. So in that you're going to need some yogurt. This is Vanila. I like the KCC brand because it does not have as much sugar. We are going to be using some fruits, 2 apples and 2 yellow passion fruits, lemon, just to prevent your apples from oxidizing, and some honey just for that extra sweetness. So to begin with, we are going to slice our lemon, and then we are going to go ahead and juice it into this bowl. So you can use your cooking stick to easily juice your lemons. We're going to start in by dicing our apples. Remember to remove those seeds. Then now we're going to dice them. To prevent them from oxidizing, we're going to immediately put them in the lemon water, the lemon juice, and just run them through. Then we're going to cut the green apple. Then again, just pour them in, mixing them with the lemon so that they don't oxidize. We're going to add in our passion fruit. Remember, while you're adding your passion fruit, first break it up. Otherwise, if you just pour it in, it will be one big lump. Just mix everything equally so that you have a consistent mixture before you pour it into the bowls. And then we're going to pour equal amounts of each. Pour your yogurt on top of the fruits, and just a little bit, and also on this side, like so. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to gently mix it so that the fruits are covered in the yogurt. And then just an extra addition, which basically is optional. You can add some honey. So I'm just going to pour in some 2 teaspoons of honey on both. Yeah, and there you have it. So you're ready now to enjoy your bowl of some fruit yogurt salad.